Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Pro X headset. This is a gaming headset that includes both a microphone and wireless connection. Alright, so starting off we have the USB Lightspeed adapter. And then we have some user documentation. And the Pro X also comes with a carrying bag. This is made of both a durable velvet as well as a softer spongy material, and this is basically for you to put your headset in and carry around. And then we also have the 2-meter USB-C to USB-A cable. And here we have our 6mm detachable microphone with a frequency response of 100 Hz to 10 kHz. You're also provided with an extra pair of spare ear pads. These are made from a memory foam and cloth material. So here we have the headset itself, and the headset has a lot of soft memory foam material surrounding the headset, making it extremely comfortable to wear long term. The headband is made of a strong steel material to make sure that it's extra durable, and it's also adjustable on the sides. The earpads that come on the headset are made of a leathery memory foam material, and they're super soft, so you can wear these headsets long term. So the detachable blue voice microphone is basically a plug-in that you can just plug right into the left side of the headset. On the back left side of the headset, there's also a Bluetooth button as well as a volume scroll and a charging port. The Pro X is also compatible with any PC that has USB ports, as well as any Windows 7 or later. It also includes full surround sound, and you can hear footsteps and environmental cues while in-game a lot more easily. The headset has 50mm drivers, so these are basically the speaker parts that change electrical energy into acoustic energy. And this allows for a wider frequency range as well as a higher fidelity bass response. This headset comes in two different versions. There's Shroud and Black. Shroud has various different blue details across the headset, while Black is the model that I went with, and it just has these aluminum details on the side. Alright, that does it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now overall, the Wireless Pro X is a really great gaming headset. It includes a lot of great features that make it well worth the price, such as extra padding, as well as a bag and a detachable mic, and really great audio quality. Now when I first opened it up, I thought it was going to be really bulky, but I realized that it was just this extra padding, and the padding makes it really soft and easy to wear over a long period of time. So I would definitely recommend this gaming headset. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!